Hey geniuses, this is a quick video showing you how to make a copy with comments. So I've got my zero point 0.6 here, and if I scroll down, I see that Cope has made all these suggestions. Now, if you're in zero point 0.6, you can't just simply click the checks and make the correction. You've got to instead make a copy. So let me show you how this works. You go to File, Make a Copy, and here's the key. Copy comments and suggestions. Okay? Copy comments and suggestions. That is the key. Now when you make a copy of this, you can simply look for those suggestions that were made. Comments, are like a great opening, and you can just click them or ignore them. But things like suggestions, where we have here replace little I with big I, instead of you having to deal with that, by the way, if you click it, it'll highlight it so you know what it's talking about. If you want to just make the change, you just click the check button, which accepts the suggestion. Okay? And then I go to the next one and I see, oh, that one, there's an issue with quotation marks. And so I'm just going to go ahead and check it, and it will be fixed too. So some of these are easier than others, but when you get these suggestions, isn't it nice to just be able to check it off? If you don't want to accept the suggestion, if you're like, no, Cope, I want it like that, forget you can reject the suggestion too. And then it'll keep it the way it was, and you can just move on. Oh, sounds like it's my time to end this video. I got the warning bell. So yeah, use this as you work on your final draft, and then you can copy and paste the whole gosh darn thing when you're ready to put it into your final draft submission. Simply by selecting all and then copying. Sorry, it's under edit. And then you're going to paste it into the submission for your final draft. This bad boy's due Friday. Good luck as you revise.